Hey, Precious, I don't want no whole heap of money in my place, you know. A 7 dumpling, you really give man, Precious.
Beggars are not choosers. You ever carry up in a dirty girl or 1 pound of flour come here? You know what me have to go out there go work to feed you?
You wicked no Rasta, no Precious. And now me go buy the flour and the flash out.
With fee me money, when me cannot even buy soap for wash my pussy. You know how me have to go out there go work to carry food come full your dirty.
You work, Precious, when your barney ever work.
What do you mean if me ever work?
What kind of work you do? Hey, Precious.
Hey, give me back my food. Give me back my food. Today I last year. Give me back my food.
Yo, leg on my food, Precious.
It's a disappointment.
The acting not fall far from the tree.
I last year yam food in there. Give me back my food. Leg up, give me my food.
No worry yourself, Precious. Yo, I go get some of my friends them to come support your business.
I should have crushed it when you're born.
Don't worry about that. Remember, me I want my cut. You spoil food and run my belly, Precious. You have no toilet paper?
You ever buy any?
Newspaper?
Me not have any.
This way though. Me I go have a whole shit.
Yeah, I'm shit.
Oh, that!
Me here say y'all look for me. Let's save the trouble. See me ya. You could have killed my man and just get the just up for here. Come on, tell it. I can't believe you shoot my mother. Me don't expect nothing from a real shithead like you.
You're dead, pussy. Dead, double up. You're dead now. Kill your pussy one. Pussy clock, let me go. I'll kill your pussy one. Bumbo clock. Gandy, do hear what I say.
You should have shot my mother pussy.
I know me, Gandy, I done it.
Well, from the trigger, a time for my revenge.
Move in.
Why? Not kill him, not kill him.
Say a prayer, boy.
Revenge, you want to kill my mother now? Kill my mama, scared.
Are you me come for?
Gandy, me would hurt a fly, Gandy.
Say a prayer, boy.
Pray, mama. Pray, papa. Pray to God.
Prayer, boy.
Pray, mama. Pray, papa. Pray to God.
Call the Danny. Tell the Danny call off everything and bring the war to her. Your life a for me. And you live from borrowed time. Remember that pussy.
What the fuck you did when the man a beat me up?